Hello, my fourth grade friends at Mount Holly. I am Mrs. Mulholland, a fourth grade teacher, and today we're going to talk about communication. Communication is a big part of Mount Holly, and in our cares, we talk about communication. So there are some different communication styles. So we're going to be looking at, are you someone who communicates in an aggressive way? In other words, you speak not thinking about the feeling of other people. You may have had a disagreement. Do you threaten people? Do you not listen well? Do you blame others? And I know that most of our Mount Holly students are not like that. Are you passive? Do you avoid speaking and standing up for yourself? Do you not look at people when you talk to them, or you don't really care? Or are you assertive? Are you able to tell your wants and needs and think about the feelings of others and stand up for yourself in a way that isn't rude? So on this page, you are going to click on this link to watch a video with SpongeBob about these three communication types, and then you are going to click on the green arrow to go to the second page. On the second page, you're going to read each statement and decide, if I disagree with a friend, I let them know. Do you do most of the time, some of the time, or almost never? To look at how you communicate with other people. Then click on the green arrow again. One of the big things that helps with communication are I statements. So if you tell someone, I feel, when you, because, I would like, and it helps you communicate to other people what is going on and why. So there is a video here, if you click on this link, to watch and think about how you could use those I statements. Then click on the green arrow and it will take you to our next page. All of us, we know, are asked to think all day long, but we need to think before we speak. So is it true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it necessary? Or is it kind? Then click on the green arrow to go to the next activity. On this page, you're going to read each statement, and if you think that's something that you should keep to yourself, then put it in the think it box. If you think it's something you should say out loud and it will be helpful, then put it in the say it box. Again, go to the green arrow. It will take you to our next page. Now we're going to talk about an active listener. Listening has a lot of pieces to it and can be very complicated. So click on the link first to see about active listening, and then color in the things that you think describe active listening. One more time, you're going to click on the green arrow, which will take you to a poster talking about active listening, what it looks like, and what it sounds like. Lastly, go to the green arrow. You are going to complete an activity of making a poster that shows all the parts of being an effective communicator, and make sure you include pictures and words. When you are done, please tap on the green check mark up here. I hope we all look at and remember the ways to be a good communicator.